everybody, welcome back to Haggett Hill. I'm all dirty. I've had a busy day of mowing grass, blowing leaves, moving trailers, just generally cleaning up around the place. But what I'm going to do here this afternoon, I'm going to modify this yard trailer I built last year. It's never had a trailer jack on it, and the temporary trailer jack I took off of my 16-foot flatbed the other day when I installed the new one, the 5,000-pound one. I've got an old 2,000-pound one I'm going to put on this trailer, so watch along as we tackle this little project. So here's kind of what I got in mind. Take this trailer jack, set right in this V, just hit a little weld here and there. This one has the option for a removable foot, but I really don't need to use that on this. I don't think I'm going to tear this one up, so I'm just going to weld a foot onto the bottom of it. So I'll get out my grinder and clean this up a little bit, then get my welder. We'll tack it into place. Should be a quick little project. Well, that'll work just fine for what I want it to do. It don't really need to support much weight other than the trailer itself. Those welds are what an old shop teacher used to call gorilla welds. They're big and ugly, but they're strong. But it'll work just fine for what I want it to do. Well, folks, that's just a simple little project. You know, I never thought how handy a welder would be until I had one. Seems like I'm using mine pretty regularly. But I thank you again for stopping by and helping out with another project here on Haggett Hill. I just wish I could get you folks to put my tools away for me. Seems like I'm always the one stuck with doing that. But anyway, I'll get this cleaned up, brush it all off real good. I'll shoot a little paint on it to keep it from rusting. But it'll work just fine for a trailer to use around in the yard. I do appreciate you stopping by and watching another project here on Haggett Hill. Please leave me a comment. If you like my content, like and subscribe and tell me about it. Tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like. I'm trying to get my channel to grow. Hey, you know, guys got to have a gig for retirement. Maybe this will be my retirement gig. And as always, thanks for stopping by and watching with us. Look at that hummingbird. Had a visit from a hummingbird. Anyway, before the hummingbird interrupted us, I'm just going to tell you thanks for stopping by and visiting with me here again on Haggett Hill. And as always, God bless.